Hey, good afternoon. Coming to you from beautiful Freud, Montana. Today is August 12th. We have been at the house all week doing some work, making some upgrades. Wanted to redo a walkthrough video, show you guys a little bit of progress. Beautiful day here, forecasted to be 90 degrees today. This is the old Catholic church structure on the south end of Freud. We have owned this building now approximately 1 year. This is the front entry. And the hallway here. Into the bedrooms. There are 6 bedrooms upstairs. Some of the bedrooms have twin beds. A few of the bedrooms have queen beds. Coming into the common area here. A couple nice prints. Sorry about the reflections there. This room here has 2 individual bathrooms, showers. This week we worked on and replaced the ceiling with tongue and groove pine. Replaced the fan and put in new LED lights. It's a little loft upstairs there. We were pleased with how that turned out. We will head down the stairs. This is another entry here. This is primarily the entry we use here in and out. Just comes outside. When you come in this door, you go right downstairs into our kitchen and dining area. We use our Blackstone grill a lot. We put up tin there. Makes it look kind of nice. 2 refrigerators and freezers. We put tin in behind there. This is looking from the kitchen into our dining area. And this week one of the big projects was replacing knotty pine wainscoting all the way around. Put in a new breakfast bar countertop. That turned out really well. And then we also redid a little pantry shelving unit there. Did the ceiling and lighting last fall. And we've been here all week working on this. Bird dogs are welcome. He's tired. This is looking this way. There. And we do have 2 bedrooms in the basement with single beds. We can comfortably house up to 10 people. Thank you guys for looking at our video. You can find out more information on us at on Facebook at Busterz LLC. You can also find a web page at www.birdbusters.com. Thanks for looking at our video. Have a great day.